So as I said, that our eyes can be fooled in a matter of second, but our brain can be tricked very slowly in a matter of time. So that's what we call as the illusory truth effect. And that is how these propaganda techniques work. This propaganda stuff, movies, posts or whatever, books, media, speeches, they work like that. So what happens, on the very first day, you laugh at it. On the second day, you question it. But on the 30th day, if the same message is repeated now and then in front of your eyes, popping from different locations, but the message is same, on the 30th day, your brain starts to believe that this is the truth. For example, if this pen is here, currently this is a pen. But if I keep sending you messages, posts, speeches, articles, media, telling, no, this is not a pen, this is a pencil. So what will happen, if the lie is told to you once, you question it. But when it is told to you multiple times, you start believing the lie and you stop the ability to question it. If you repeat the same thing louder and multiple times, finally the line between the truth and lie fades. So similarly, in case of this pen, maybe on the 30th day or more, you will start believing or doubting your brain, oh, perhaps this is not a pen, this is a pencil. This is how these movies, contents, these work. Most often we see on social media, a lie is being presented to us in form of a message. And they keep sending those to you every now and then. On WhatsApp also you see the same message, on the Facebook or other social media. So possibility is that that is not the truth. But because it is being repeated multiple times in front of you, then your mind is tricked into believing that, oh, possibility that is the truth. And this is how that propaganda technique works. If you say something louder multiple times, the ability of the brain to decide fades away, and all of a sudden you start to come out of the zone of questioning anything. You start to believe it instantly. You do not question. You say, okay, this is pen, okay, if this is pencil, okay, this is pencil, on the 30th day or maybe more, if I keep telling you like this. So it's better that whenever you see something which is born out of an emotional angle or which creates a quicker emotional outrage, always question it. Because this is what happens to your mind when you stop questioning things. The things and the situation around you becomes worse. And what happens, even something is going wrong, your mind never questions it. Why? Because something of less importance is being presented to you in form of propaganda, and your mind is tricked into believing that and ignoring other stuffs. For example, if a person is hungry and in front of his eyes he's being shown that no, you are not hungry, you are stomach full, you won't starve. We keep telling this to that guy for maybe a long period of time. A period comes when person will believe, oh, maybe I'm not hungry, it's just that mind is overthinking. So that is how this propaganda technique works, and we should be always aware of this, when, where and how we are being tricked into that. Always question your mind before believing anything you see. Thank you.